chicken na i-coat ni Inday sa cornflakes. 3½ cups na cornflakes, 2 tablespoons parmesan, shredded, and ½ teaspoon ng oregano, herbs, ½ teaspoon paprika, ½ teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Yan ang pinag-mix-mix dito sa cornflakes and panko, yung breadcrumbs. And then sa egg natin, ito naman ay 2 egg. Ayan. 1 tablespoon mustard. 1/8 lang ng TSP ng salt at saka konting little black pepper. Hi guys, ayan na, coated na ng cornflakes and panko breadcrumbs ang ating chicken. So ready na yan sa freezer. Thank you for watching. Keep safe and God bless all. Bye!